Hi friends, today I'm featuring a couple of sets of gel nail polish from GellenGel.com. Shout out to Gellen Gel who sent me these samples to try out for the channel. They sent two different sets. This set is a variety of orange and red shades that are perfect for Halloween, Christmas, and autumn. This magnetic cat eye gel nail polish kit came with a solid black for a base and 5 different cat eye colors. This nifty instruction booklet had pictures of how to get different effects using the magnets. It came with 2 magnets and these sample nails so that you can sample the colors and save for reference for later. This was my first chance to really delve into cat eye magnetic gel nail polish, and I'm really glad that Gellen Gel sent these for me to try. I wound up using the magnet that had a little rubber end on it the most. I wound up sampling each one of the colors. I also couldn't wait and started with the manicure for myself. I did an encapsulated glitter / chrome look and tried to combine it with the cat eye, but as it turned out, the cat eye gel nail polish part wasn't as visible after I put the chrome and glitter on top, so it was kind of an artistic endeavor. I was happy to do the swatches and get a better idea of how I can apply the cat eye gel nail polish to future nail designs as well. I think the cat eye gel nail polish would be really good for doing precious stone nail designs, like if you're trying to make amber or another stone. Here's a little time lapse of me putting together the swatches, and I did each one of the bright orange and red set. I really loved the neon orange, it matched my hair perfectly, and I want to go back and do a full set of just orange nails to match my hair. But the other colors were really pretty too, and the bright red was maybe my new favorite bright red because I could see it being used for Halloween, Christmas, Valentine's Day. It's about as red can be. But these are all really pretty, especially if you were to use them together in a creative design. In addition to the swatches that they sent, I also happen to have these little magnetic practice nail thingamajigs. I'm not sure exactly what they're called. When I don't know what a nail polish looks like just yet, I'll try to remember and do a sample first. You can set them in the sun UV to cure, and because they're magnetic, they'll just stick to the bottom. And it's really easy to make samples this way. So there's the solid black, which I'll use as the base coat for each one of these magnetic colors. And I just wanted to take a look at what they look like compared to how they turn out after curing with the magnets and everything. I would have to say that each one of these colors turned out more beautiful than I expected. I started off by coloring all of these practice nails with the base black. I did not use a base coat, I just put it directly on the fake plastic full cover nail tip. But I did notice when the black came out of the sun UV, it was a little bit warped. So I think that means that it gets overheated. After I covered the black with the magnetic polish, it seemed to fill it out, and it wasn't noticeable whatsoever after that. I started off with the green and used this little magnetic thing all around the edges, and I kind of tried to practice the same technique on each color. Using the magnet that had a rubber tip, I was kind of drawing the magnetic polish out towards the edges, and I did not put it on the very top because I was watching some YouTube tutorials and someone was like, don't just put the magnet on the top. I don't know. Anyways, so I was kind of like pulling it out around the edges like this, and I think it turned out really cool. And each color I did 2 layers of the cat eye gel nail polish. And on each one of them, I did this technique where I'm pulling it out towards the edges, and I was kind of trying to make like a 3D look. But it totally looks different when there's just one layer, and then when you add the second layer, and you can keep going. I don't even know how many layers you can add. It seems like it definitely paints over itself, but each layer adds a new dimension, especially if you use the magnet to go in different directions. I really wanted to see what these looked like individually on the black. I'm definitely going to try to combine these colors on the same nail and kind of make more of like a rainbow look or something. I don't even know, but they're so pretty. I'm super stoked to have discovered this brand and to have gotten a chance to play with this magnetic polish finally. Yeah, I pretty much go through each one of these colors. Yeah, I can imagine that it would look a lot different based on the different directions that you use the magnets. So if anyone has any suggestions, otherwise I'll probably refer to the pamphlet that came with it, and I'll try to do some of those other techniques in the future. But I really like it when it looks like super 3D, like interdimensional nail art. So I'll try to do more stuff like this in the future now that we have these new colors. And if I get a chance to do another orange manicure, I'll definitely share that with you as well. But I am definitely not a trained professional, so if I'm giving any advice or reviewing any products, it's just from a regular DIY perspective, and I'm not somebody who has gone to school for this or anything. But I have watched a lot of YouTube tutorials and tried to learn as much as I can about DIY gel nail polish, nail art design. I've been doing my own nails for about 2 years now, so I'm always excited to try a new product, especially when it kind of blows my mind, such as this really cool magnetic gel nail polish. At the end here, I'm just adding a top coat because I want to see just how shiny it gets. And here's the final samples of the Gellen Gel Magnetic Cat Eye Gel Nail Polish. They're so pretty.